I think my porridge is done. Okay guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Today I'm going to make a lovely breakfast. Yes, just going to use plantain with a little flour in it. Just plantain with 3 milk. Okay, so I have my 3 plantain there, my sweetened milk, my Gloria milk, my coconut milk, my flour over there, my salt with my cinnamon stick, my vanilla, my nutmeg, my allspice, my rose water, and my almond. Okay, my pot over there on the fire. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm just gonna peel my plantain first. Sometimes this skin is hard to come, so you just cut the middle here. Peel, okay, that's good. Have a bag. Come here, and you do like this. So see the plantain come off? Yes, and you want to scrape off these. So you don't want to nothing showing the plantain, yeah? Lovely. Scrape off these. Get the plantain clean. Okay, I'm going to go to the sink. I'm going to wash my plantain. No matter if you just peel them from the skin, you still have to wash them, okay? I'm going to dice them here because I'm going to put them in my blender. You can cut the middle here if you want it to. So. Let me tell you, plantain porridge is so delicious, so nice. You drink it, you don't want to stop drink porridge if you know how to cook the plantain porridge. Yes. Okay, I'm going to put my plantain in my blender. I'm not going to blend them. I don't think I can manage it one time, okay? And I'm going to use my coconut milk with some water to blend my plantain. Awesome. And then I will leave a tip of water. Good. The next time I blend the flour with that. Wow, see, looking nice. This container. Okay, and I'm going to do the remaining here. Put my milk here. And it could hold, you know. It could hold in one container. I'm going to add the flour to it now. Okay. I'm just going to put it in this container, and from here to the water on the fire. You see this look nice because the flour. If you don't have the flour or oatmeal or cornmeal in this, the plantain cannot stand by itself. It can cook. When you're drinking it, you just get water. So that's why we add a little flour, or if you want to add a little oatmeal or a little cornmeal, that's okay. But the plantain cannot stand by itself. Okay, my water is boiling on the fire. Look at the stick make the water pretty and nice. I can remove my stick and I can leave it, but I'm gonna remove the stick and I'm gonna add my plantain with my flour. And I should tell you that it's 3 teaspoonful of flour add to my 3 plantain. Okay, put it in the pot here, and you have to whisk it. If you don't whisk it, then it's lumpy. So you have to keep on whisk it until it comes to the how you want it. If you don't whisk it, pure lump. Okay. To add my evaporated milk. When it gets thick, I just add some milk to it. Yes, this is a whole tin. Wow, this plantain porridge look good. Look, nice. We're gonna make it boil for like our next 20-25 minutes, and I come right back to spice up my porridge. Yes, see? I think my porridge is done. I'm gonna add my sweetening milk. I'm not gonna add any sugar, just my milk. Okay, and I'm gonna use a whole tin of milk because I'm not adding any sugar. And remember guys, this is 3 plantain, 3 tablespoonful of flour, and all my spice. Okay, with my 3 milk, coconut milk, evaporated milk, and my sweetening milk to sweeten it. Okay. Okay. Lord, look. Oh my God. This porridge is cooking so nicely. Alright, I'm gonna add my ingredients to my porridge now. And this is vanilla. I'm gonna put 3 teaspoons of vanilla. 3 teaspoons of vanilla. This is rose water. I'm just gonna put 1. A little bit more. Okay. And this is my almond. I'm gonna put 1. Okay. Here come my allspice. Allspice. I'm gonna put, yes, dip some in there. Okay. And this is my nutmeg. I have cinnamon powder, but I already have the cinnamon stick in there. I don't want to put no more cinnamon in. And I'm gonna stir it and leave it for like another 10 minutes to cook, okay? Very nice, smell very nice. Okay, I cover it and I leave it for the fry for the next 10 minutes. And then my porridge ready. Here goes my finishing touch. Looking good, tasting good. I want you to try it. And I'm going to have it for my breakfast now. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below.